Good morning, students. Yesterday discussed the measurement of del U and del H using calorimeter, the del H measurement calorimeter, bomb calorimeter, and del H measurement coffee cup calorimeter. Today discuss coffee cup calorimeter. Okay, this is the coffee cup calorimeter. Okay, the coffee cup calorimeter, the schematic representations of a coffee cup calorimeter. The instead of bomb, a styrofoam cup is used in this calorimeter. So it acts as good adiabatic wall and does not allow transfer of heat produced during the reaction to its surrounding. So this entire heat energy is absorbed by the water inside the cup. Okay, inside the cup. Then inside the cup, and this method can be used for the reactions where there is no appreciable change in volume. So the exchange in the temperature of water is measured and used to calculate the amount of heat that has been absorbed or evolved in the reactions using the following expressions. Q is equal to mv mw into cw del T. Okay, the Q is equal to mw means the molar mass of water. M means molar mass, W means water. So the Cw means the C of molar heat capacity, W water. So the water value, molar heat capacity of water value 4184 Kelvin, kilojoule Kelvin per mole. Okay, this is the coffee cup calorimeter, the molar heat capacity of water. Okay, this is the stirrer. Okay, this is the stirrer, the reactions of mixture. This is the water, the next insulated cups, the water and a mixture of reactions. This is the thermometer. Okay, then this is the insulator stopper. Okay, insert the bomb of a stirred cup is used in this calorimeter. It acts as a good diabatic wall and does not allow the transfer of heat produced during the reactions. It is surroundings. Okay, this entire heat, the heat energy is absorbed by the water inside the cup. So this method can be used for the reactions where there is no appreciable change in volume. So the change in the temperature of water is measured and used to calculate the amount of heat that has been absorbed or evolved in the reactions. Okay, this the coffee cup calorimeter. Okay, for the example sum, they calculate the enthalpy of compositions of ethylene at 300 Kelvin at constant pressure. If its heat of compositions at constant volume del U is negative charge, that 1406 kilojoule. So the complete ethylene compositions reactions can be written as, this is the equations. This is the ethylene C2H4, oxygens the added. So the product carbon dioxide and water molecules. This is the three this gaseous stage, this one gaseous stage, this one gaseous stage. This is the liquid stage. So the del U value, already, see these questions, minus 1406 kilojoule. Okay, so the del N value, the product minus reactant, the number of product minus reactant. So the product, the only gaseous molecules. Okay, the only gaseous molecules, the product minus reactant. So the 2 molecules of carbon dioxide present, so 2 molecules minus the reactant 1 molecules of ethylene present, 3 molecules of oxygen present. So 1 plus 3. So 2 minus 4. So minus 2. The del Ng value is equal to, this value 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So del H is equal to del U plus RT del Ng. Okay, the enthalpy change in the enthalpy in the number of moles ideal gas formula, del H is equal to del U plus RT del Ng. Okay, so del H is equal to del U value substitutions, minus 1406 plus R value constant value 8.314 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and T temperature 300 Kelvin. So into minus 2 means the del N value minus 2. The added and calculations, the last del H value minus 1410.9 kilojoule. This is the enthalpy value. Okay. Are you clear? This is the enthalpy value. The next discuss the applications of the heat compositions. The applications of the heat compositions. This is the reactions. The first one, the calculations of heat formations. Since the heat of compositions of organic compounds can be determined with considerable else, they are employed to calculate the heat of formations of other compounds. For example, they calculate the standard enthalpy of formations del H F naught of CH4 from the values of enthalpy of compositions for H2 carbon and CH4. So which are values? The hydrogen's value minus 285.8 and then graphite carbon value minus 393.5 and then 890.4 kilojoule per mole respectively. Let us the interface informations. The graphite's value X. So the graphite value X. The okay, the graphite added the hydrogen, so methane is the form, the methane value X. So the thermochemical equations for the compositions of given substance or hydrogen added the oxygen gives H2O molecules. So the H naught values minus 285. HO, the water value minus 285.8. Okay, 85.8. So the graphite added the oxygen, the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide value minus 393.5 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this is the third one. Then last one, fourth one, the methane reaction to oxygen, the carbon dioxide and water molecules. So this is the minus 890.4 kilojoule per mole. So they discuss the methane is in the product side of the required equation 1. So we have to resolve the equations, the fourth one. So in order to get equations from the remains, 1 is equal to this one. First equation is equal to second equation into 2 plus third added fifth one. Okay, then first one X. So second equations minus this one, the second equations the minus 285.8. So apply this equations into 2 okay, plus the third one equation minus 393. This is one minus 393.5. Okay, the next they added the fifth one. The fifth one added plus 890.4. Okay, they added the numbers. X is equal to minus 74.6 kg. The minus 74.7 kg is for the formations of 1 mole of the methane value. So the heat of formations of methane minus 74.7 kilojoule per mole. Okay. Okay, thank you student.